So how do you create YouTube titles that actually generate you more views? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make that happen. And if you stick with me, I'm also gonna share with you a free tool you could use to amplify your titles even more. Let's get into the content. Tip number one when it comes to creating powerful titles is you actually want to create the title before you actually record the video. Now, this is important because this allows you to fully prep instead of actually recording the video and then going back and doing everything. For me, it's not efficient with my time. So one of the things that I do is I actually create my title, my tags, my description, and my thumbnail before I actually do any recording at all, right? I feel like it's way more efficient when you do it that way. Now, I would also love to know down below in the comments, what is it that you do? Do you do everything before and then record, or do you actually record first and then go back and do everything you need to do? Tip number two when it comes to creating powerful titles is you actually want to create a title that speaks to the listening. Now, what I'm talking about is there's people out there that really enjoy the type of content that you create on your channel. So what you want to do is you want to position your content to actually attract them. Like, we're not worried about, going ultra viral and bringing in the wrong type of people, right? We want to actually bring in the right type of people, especially if you're selling a product or if you're trying to, build out your community or whatever it is that you're doing. You want to make sure that those are the right people, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All right, so a very powerful way for you to do this is to actually think about questions that your target audience has, right? So let me give you a couple of examples. So if I type in how to grow a garden, right? So as you can see, as I'm starting to type, you can automatically see auto suggestions popping up, right? They're giving me what people are actually searching for. So everything you see here, as you can see, this gets 30 searches a month. That's on Google. YouTube and Google have different amounts of searches every single month, right? But you can see that they're actually getting searched, right? That's one way. Let's say, for instance, I want to learn how to grow a YouTube channel. You see how they're giving me suggestions for what people care about when it comes to that? And I have a full in-depth video that I go over, how to actually do keyword research. So I'll go ahead and link that down below and you can watch that after you watch this video. Tip number three when it comes to creating powerful titles is to include an intriguing human element. Now, there's two ways to do this, and I'm gonna show you exactly how they're done. All right, so this right here is a free headline analyzer that I use to amplify my titles even more. And down below in the description, I'm gonna link this so that way you can start using this to amplify your titles as well, all right? All right, so how do I go about using this? The first thing I want to do is I want to paste the keyword that I'm trying to rank for into this software, and I want to hit analyze. All right, now when I hit analyze, as you can see, it gives me a headline quality score of 64, which is average, right? Now, if we go down even further, they have an engagement score and an impression score. The engagement score gives me average, and the impression score is giving me average. We don't want to be average, right? We want to create titles that actually pull the attention in. So how do I make this more interesting? That's the real question. So the first thing I did with this particular title is I put the parentheses at the end, and then I said, these work right now, right? That's the first thing I did to try to see, could I boost the score? And as you can see, it shows me the amount of characters as well. So I hit analyze, and I want to see, does it boost this up? All right, so now we're above average, which is good, right? That quickly, we just made this a better title that's more intriguing. So now let's go down, let's see if these boost it. So right instantly, we can see we have an 84 for the impression score, which is good, and the average for the engagement score. So I asked myself, well, how can I make it even more better, right? Let's go back up here. So I took these away, and then I said, okay, how to create, and I was thinking to myself, how can I, add something in here in between the keyword, even though that's going to, kind of decrease my relevancy a little bit. I want to put something up front that's going to grab them. So I said, okay, how to create eye-sucking YouTube titles, because when you think about eye sucking, the first thing that comes to mind to me is an actual vacuum close to my eye and it's trying to pull it in a certain direction. So that's what we want to do with our titles, right? And I'm going to go over that a little bit more as we continue to go throughout the video. But how to create eye sucking YouTube titles, right? And then another thing that came to mind was instantly, right? So right here I said instantly get. And then one powerful word when it comes to advertising is you. So that's where I said, get you more views. Now, when I watch what happens when I hit analyze again. So look at this. above average, right? It just instantly shot up even more. So take a look. Now we have an above average engagement, and then it says we have above average impression score, which is great. Now, please take this with a grain of salt. This doesn't mean that if you have these extra high scores, your title is just going to get like hundreds of thousands of views. It's not a guarantee, but it is a great tool that you can use to really amplify your titles. Tip number 4 is to create imagery within your title. And the way that you go about doing this is very, very simple. Basically, your title should create a picture in the viewer's mind. So for example, the whole concept I was going with as far as this title that I have for this video with the eye sucking, eye sucking is basically like somebody has a vacuum up to your eye and it's on and it's pulling at your eye in that direction. So I was kind of trying to tie that to the title, basically telling a person that they can create a title that actually pulls people's attention, right? Now, the second part of the imagery was using the word instantly. So the word instantly, when you think about the word instantly, you think about now, right? Like happening right now. So how do you create titles that actually intrigue people that get them to click instantly, right? That's essentially what I was doing when it comes to using imagery. Tip number 4 is your title should complement the thumbnail. Now, what does that actually mean? So this right here is a thumbnail to one of my videos. And as you can see, it says, do this right, get paid. So one of the things that I see, which is a very, very common thing, especially to newer, content creators, is they actually take their title and they try to stuff their entire title in the thumbnail. Now, my opinion on that is it's a little bit boring, right? But to really make your thumbnails really really grab the attention from the person you're trying to attract, you want to include what is the benefit of actually watching the video, right? So a person does, it says, do this right, get paid. And then what is that right there? On Amazon. So if we actually go look at the title real quick, how to do Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube the right way. So if they see that, the thumbnails should force them to look at the title. Granted, they'll get an understanding by looking at the picture, but once they look at that title, boom, we get that instant connection and now they're watching your video. Now it's up to you to actually keep them watching. And the best way to do that is to watch this video next, because it's going to teach you step by step through exactly how to create powerful hooks that actually make people want to watch your videos longer. See you over there.